You've probably heard of chemical peels and microneedling, but do you know which one is actually best for you? Let's break it down, the difference between these two treatment types, who it's best suited for, and how to choose between them, and if you have to choose between them. So if you're dealing with acne scars, uneven texture, dull skin, fine lines, this video is for you. Chemical peels involve using an acidic solution such as salicylic acid, glycolic acid, TCA, and this removes the external layer of the skin. Think of this as an accelerated, controlled shedding process because your skin sheds dead skin cells naturally. How it works is that the acid breaks the bonds holding the damaged dead skin cells together, and this allows new, healthier skin to surface. There are different depths of chemical peel. We have superficial, medium, and deep. The superficial peels target the very top layer of the skin, which is the epidermis. So with a superficial peel, you will see mild shedding, a little redness, and in a few days, your skin will look brighter and more refreshed. A good example of this is a vitamin C peel. This is good for your regular maintenance. Now the medium depth peel goes a little deeper into the upper dermis of the skin, and this is fantastic for sun damage, pigmentation, mild wrinkles. With these kind of peels, you'll have about 5 to 7 days of visible peeling. Now a deep peel is a more intensive treatment, and this is standard with your TCA peels, very aggressive, and this must be performed by a licensed esthetician or medical professional because the risk of scarring and burns, chemical burns to the skin, is higher. Because this is a deep peel, the results are more dramatic, but the recovery time is also longer. This provides dramatic results for deep scarring and wrinkles. Chemical peels would be ideal for persons suffering with hyperpigmentation, acne, fine line, wrinkles. Microneedling. As the name suggests, we are using very, very tiny needles to puncture the skin. And I know the puncture sounds kind of scary, but this is a controlled injury to the skin. Just as when you get a cut, that triggers your skin's wound healing mechanisms to push out more collagen. So doing this in a controlled manner allows the skin to produce extra collagen to fix whatever issue is on the skin. Microneedling is ideal for persons that suffer with acne scars, fine lines, wrinkles, surgical scars, stretch marks, enlarged pores, and those that are seeking overall texture improvement. The microneedling is really a collagen induction treatment. So over the course of a few weeks, your skin will look firmer, stronger, smoother, and more resilient. Now, to make this treatment more effective, we can also include different serums such as hyaluronic acid or platelet-rich plasma, which is PRP. The science behind that is the channels created by that controlled injury allows these serums to penetrate deeper into the skin to get the results that we want. Now, the main difference between chemical peels and microneedling is that chemical peels are more for resurfacing because we are removing that top layer of the skin, while microneedling is for regenerating. So we want new cells, new healthy collagen being pushed out into our skin to fix some sort of textural problem. One thing I will add as well is that darker skin tones are also more prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So microneedling is typically a no downtime to minimal downtime treatment with less risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. With a chemical peel, depending on the depth, darker skin tones are more susceptible to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So here's where it gets exciting. You don't have to choose between microneedling or chemical peels. Depending on the specific skin problem that you are dealing with, I would actually recommend both. At the end of the day, the best treatment for your skin depends on your skin. So if you're curious as to which treatment you should get or which treatment you should get first, you can reach out to us at Reach Royalty Spa, www.reachroyalty.com, and we will be happy to schedule a skin consultation with you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips.